Hi there, I'm Robert with the LG training team. Today I got Kristin on the line and she's at the LG Showroom. Today she's going to talk to us about a product that redefined laundry and it still turns heads. So Kristin, what are we looking at?
This is the LG WashTower. It's one of LG's most innovative products. It's a true original. LG really created this category. And with every upgrade, we've stayed ahead. From the design to the performance, WashTower is built to win on the sales floor.
So what makes WashTower different from just stacking a washer and a dryer?
Great question. This is a single unit design with LG's center control panel right in the middle. That means no step stool, no reaching. It's comfortable, sleek, and incredibly easy to use. All LG WashTowers are large capacity and packed with some amazing features like Turbo Wash 360 that gets clothes clean in just 30 minutes, and AIDD for better washing and drying. Plus, they have smart ThinQ features that's all built in, all easy to access, and the panel even lights up with helpful animations. It's seriously intuitive and easy to use.
Okay, so who's the perfect customer for WashTower?
Honestly, just about everyone, but especially space-conscious buyers, people in condos, older homes, or folks who just want to add more storage, or perhaps an LG styler. We've got busy households. With that Turbo Wash 360, we can save them around 5 hours every week. And who doesn't love to get back to doing what they love sooner? And really, anyone who just wants a beautiful, smart upgrade in their home. We have 19 different models right now and counting. With different colors, you can step up to features like our Easy Dispense. All models will have the choice of gas or electric, and we have a full and compact size as well. We've really got a WashTower out there for everybody.
What if a customer says, but what if one part breaks down?
Another great question. Remember, WashTower is brought to you by America's most reliable line of appliances, and many of them are even made right here in the United States. But if there does happen to be a problem, the washer and dryer can be serviced separately, and they all use the same parts on our standard front-load washers and dryers, so those parts are easy for our servicers to get. How's that for peace of mind?
In delivery or tight spaces, how do we get that upstairs?
It's actually super easy. You can separate the two pieces when it needs to be installed, which lets you fit it through anywhere a standard washer would go. And another thing, we have two versions of LG WashTower with heat pump dryers. They're ventless and ultra efficient. Perfect for homes where venting is a challenge, and it gives you a chance for unique placement. Plus, that energy savings really does add up.
So, final thoughts. What should salespeople remember when showing WashTower?
Where to start? I always like to start with this center control panel. It really hooks our customers in. Then we can talk about the space saving, the design, the smart features. And the most important thing when you're starting that conversation is to ask them if they've seen the WashTower before. Because many customers haven't actually experienced the WashTower, especially if it's been more than 5 years since they had to go and purchase a washer or dryer. So this is truly your chance to show your customers something that truly is exciting.
Well, you heard it. Life's good with the original, the smartest, the one that still wins. LG WashTower. Thanks, Kristin.
You bet, Robert. Now let's go out there and reintroduce the WashTower to the sales floor.